Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. If possible, can someone please confirm if you are able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen? Guys, anyone can confirm, please, guys, if you don't mind. Is everyone is able to hear me clearly and everyone is able to see my screen? Hello? Guys, I'm asking you guys, can someone please confirm me, guys, if you are able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened, guys? I'm really surprised. No one is able to hear me. That's what I'm surprised. Okay, fine. What is the less strength because of weekend impact? Long weekend, that is the impact. Okay, that's fine. I want to continue, guys, because we have a recording session and everyone can catch the recording sessions. Can we continue, guys?
Yeah.
Right. So, just like I explained everything, guys, we are good to go for execution part. Okay? We are good to go for execution part. Can we start execution? Or any other questions before I start execution, guys, please? Devendra, you have any question? I told a number of times you're always on unmute, which is confusing me. Any questions you have?
No. Right now, I don't have any question. After the class, I will ask something.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Can you go on mute if you don't mind? Yeah, thank you. Ramesh, you are not able to download the notes. What is the problem, Ramesh? If you can speak rather than type, is it possible? Sir, what is the problem in downloading the notes rather than typing? Are you trying from Google Classroom, right? Is it not possible to speak? I don't know. I'm not getting a response. Okay, fine. So we are going to start the execution part here. First one, we need to start. What are the first entry points, sir? What is the first entry point, guys? Register is the entry point. I mean, first gateway, but gateway should also register to Eureka, right, sir? Gateway also should register Eureka, right? I mean, from a functional point of view, gateway is the entry point for external applications. But gateway should also register to Eureka registry, right? So let me start Eureka registry here. Run as Spring Boot app. You saw here, guys. /8761/Eureka /actuator registering application. Dispatcher servlet is loaded. Okay. Now, where you'll see here, localhost :8761. So this is called Eureka, sir. You're able to see the Eureka registration server. My registration server is up. There are no instances currently registered. There are no instances currently registered. It is using actuators to get this information. total available memory, current usage, IP address, and the status. A lot of these things are currently with this one. So my Eureka is up, sir. Next one is gateway. So I will start gateway. Yeah. So you see here, cloud gateway. This is our application. So Spring Cloud Load Balancer currently working. Registering application, gateway service, registering application gateway service with Eureka. You saw here, registering application gateway service with Eureka. Discovery client is making a call, registering service. 204 is a success status. Discovery is making a call here. Okay. Now you see here, gateway is registered. Now gateway is typically registered. You saw here, gateway service is registered. Next. After that, config server. I'll expose my, all these are configuration server, right? Let me start config server. So let me go to config server. This is also registering. Registering config server with Eureka is also up. Now you go to Eureka. You saw here, config server is registered. Gateway service is also registered. Config server is registered. Gateway is also registered. Correct? Right. Now, so 3 configurations are over. My registry is up. My config is up. My gateway is up. Remaining things are my order service and payment service only, right? My real microservices, my real microservices, guys. So let me start my payment service. This is my payment service, where it's a H2 database. So here, registering payment service with Eureka. So this is my H2 database. This is my H2 database. You saw here H2 database. How someone asked me in this class only how to see the H2 database. Someone asked me. Aravind, or I hope the participant. Okay. Local hosts. What is the port number? 9191. 9191 H2 console. 9191 H2 console. And this is the location of the database. You saw right, guys? So this is a payment table. Payment table is created. Columns are payment ID, amount. Can we go to payment table? This is a payment table. Payment ID, payment status, transaction ID, order ID, amount. 5 columns. So select. Someone asked me, sir, can we see H2 database? That's what I showed. I told that you can see now, maybe that participant is not there here. I hope Aravind or someone asked me the question. I forgot the name. Okay, is not there in the class. Right, payment table. Now payment service is also up, sir, right? I can see the entry and everything is up. Let me go to Eureka. Config server is up. Gateway service is up. Payment service is up. Next, last service is what? Order service. Last service is what? Order service. Yep. Order service is also up, sir. Now I will start this order service also. I will go to this order service, H2 console. This is the H2 console. What is the port number here? 9192. Localhost 9192 H2 console. Now you see here order table. Order table. Order service. I have a order table. Order underscore TB. The table name. Order underscore TB. ID name quantity price. ID name quantity price. So all services are up, sir. All services are up. Order service is up. Payment service is up. Gateway is up. Config is up. Everything is up. Okay. Right. Everyone is clear? Now I will, I'll take Postman. So this is my post request. First, I need to hit order service, right? First, I need to hit order service. How to hit order service? Through gateway. Through gateway, I need to hit it, right? Gateway only, I need to hit it, right? If you go to gateway, what is the URL? Localhost 8989 order-service order.book order. That is the thing, right? 8989 order service order.book order. But I wrote an expression, right? Anything order/something. It will go to order service. I know to mention order service here in the URL. Anything 8989/order/something. Predicates. I wrote here. I no need to mention order service also in the URL. Yes or no, guys? In the roots, I mentioned order/something. So 8989 order/something. It will go to order service only. Where it will go here? This is the URL, order service URL. Now, how to get an order service URL? In the config server. Where you have, this is the where it will go here. In the application.yaml, it is going to order service/order/book order. So it is going to query Eureka registry. I have an order service. Then it will go to 9192. That's how it is going. That's what I all explained, guys. So this is my URL 8989 order/book order. You understood, right? The URL you understood, right, guys? Now I'll go to my order.java, order ID, order name. I want to order mobile, quantity, and price. Right? What is my request here for order service? What is my request? So let me go to controller, order controller, order/book order. This is transaction request. If I go to transaction request, order object, payment object also. It's a DTO class, order as well as payment. And if I go to payment, I'm not giving anything here, guys. Even if you give also no issues, but I'm not giving anything here. It's a payment. So this is my order 108. I want to try it. Sir, everyone is clear. Any questions so far, guys? As of now. Let me execute. Order ID 1. If you see here, there is a failure in payment API. We'll see that. Okay. Now we'll go to H2 console. First, we'll see payment. You saw a payment, right? 800 rupees. Order ID is 1. Payment status is false. This is the transaction ID. You'll see here. Select star from order_TB. Orders came right, guys? Orders came right? Yes or no, guys? Order is created. Order service is calling payment service also. I didn't call payment service. Order service is called payment service and it is insert the data into payments table. Now, can I query payment service also, guys? Order ID is 108, right? So 108 8989 gateway payment/108. Let me go to my gateway payment/localhost 8989 payment/. So let me go to payment means payment service, it will go. Okay. Inside a payment service, payment controller, payment/order ID. Correct, right? Payment/108. You saw the data, right? Payment ID is 1. Payment status is false. Transaction ID. Okay. So from gateway, I was able to call order. From gateway, I was able to call payment. And order is also calling payment. Everything end to end is connected. Let me try. Why there is a failure? Because I didn't add any real logic, right? In order controller. Payment response. I'm giving here template endpoint URL. Let me go to payment controller. Service.doPayment. Sir, if the random number dot next boolean, sometimes it returns true, sometimes it returns false. This is my logic here. I mean, here we use the third party gateway, either PayMe, PayPal, Paytm, Razor Pay, something like I can use here. Sometimes it returns success, sometimes it returns false. Random dot next to Boolean. It may give Boolean value or it may give integer value or something like that. Now I'll try one more order. Where I'll try 110 AC 50,000. This is my order. 110 AC 50,000. Let me take quantity 2. I want to save this next order. Okay. Yes. Now this time payment processing is successful and order is placed. Payment processing successful and order is placed. Now we'll query the tables, guys. First, let me take order table. Yes. 110 AC 50,000 quantity 2. Right? And also it queried payment service. Success, payment status is success. 50,000. It's a transaction ID. And there's a payment table. Now, I can query 110, right? $110. Payment ID 2, payment ID success. This is the payment index. So this is the execution end to end, where we are able to see end to end execution through gateway, gateway through gateway through config through registry to actual microservice. And here also order service is calling payment service. So order controller service to do this. And how payment service is calling? I didn't added payment service details. Did I added any payment service details in order service? Did I added any payment service details in order service? No, right? It comes from config server. It picks from config server at runtime. Microservice dot payment service dot. So that is where we have microservice dot payment service dot endpoints dot endpoint dot. And from here, it will query the registry. It will query the registry, right? And in the registry, it will go to 9191. And it will go to the actual microservice. So this is the end-to-end implementation, guys, where gateway, registry, config server, actual microservices. End-to-end implementation I've seen. So what is the logic missing here? I will do next time I will do a Razor Pay ATM integration. I'm taking a workshop, okay? Maybe I'm currently, I want to do next week. That's what I'm thinking. Once I'll get the code for you, okay? You can add that implementation here. Real payment status you can do here. I mean, logic is there, sir. Inside the logic is there. Where we'll extend, we'll slowly add the logic here. This is the sample prototype, sir. Okay, where security we will add it, as well as security we will add it, as well as this payment gateway, real payment gateway also we can add it, and you'll see the real status, everything end to end real status. So this is the point execution where I'm trying here. Anyone, any questions here? Ramesh Pulsa, you there? Sorry, Pasula. I'm sorry. Ramesh Pasula, are you there? Okay, he's not there. He joined and left the class. That's fine. Sir, anyone is having issues in downloading the notes?
Yes, sir. I'm not able to download anything, notes or source code.
What's the error you are getting, madam?
No, I don't have option to download at all.
Where you are downloading from where?
Google Classroom.
Okay. Is it possible to share your screen?
Yeah, 1 second.
Sure. Maybe if it's going to take time, keep it as it is, madam. Once you are ready, let me know. Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. I can share it now.
Oh, okay.
It says you
So
cannot
we
share
can,
the screen while other participant is sharing.
no, you can see now. I just no share. Now you'll get an option, madam.
Yeah, let me check 1 second.
Devendra, in the meanwhile, you can ask question. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I need to change the system setting. I'm not. Let me take a screenshot and send it across.
So
1
you are
second.
telling that you will share some code for authentication, right?
First, yes. First of all, I will explain, right, sir? I will share it, but I need to explain, right? Can I share directly? Will you able to work on it? No, right? First, let me explain the minimum code. I'll explain the use case, Devendra. If I share the code, will you able to work directly? No, right?
No.
That's why my intention was I will share. First of all, I will explain the code. I've added in a different use case. I'll explain the code. Then you will understand. Then after that, you can take from there and you can keep here. Correct, right, sir? Is it correct, right? My approach is correct only, right? For example, I gave you code right now. You cannot understand, right? What is the logic I did? What exactly I did? You don't know. You cannot understand, right? Yeah. Why unable to share, ma'am? What is the issue? Yeah, now I'm able to see. Yeah, you join class. You need to join, right? No, madam. There is a join class option. Down. There is a button join class. On the same screen itself, madam, there is a button called as join class. No, madam. On the same screen. Don't confuse. On the drop down just below. Not able to see, ma'am. On the same screen itself, join class option is there. There is a button. Only one button is there on the screen.
Down,
Not sure why
down.
are you
Madam,
down.
ma'am. Down, ma'am.
There is only one button in the screen. Maybe she is able to see, but she is not able to go there. Maybe. Jayashree, is it possible to speak?
Are you able to hear me?
I am
Hello?
able to see your screen. We are able to see your screen. I am requesting you go down on the same page. There is an option join class.
Okay, in the same page, join class. I don't.
Yes. We are able to see. Down on the same, just come down.
Scroll down. Okay.
There is a join class button is there, right, madam?
I am not able to see, sir. Sorry. Can you take a screenshot and tell me? I don't see. Okay.
On the drop down in your Gmail ID drop. No, don't go anywhere, please. First of all, don't go anywhere. Google
Okay.
Classroom. And in the
Okay.
drop down, no, madam, in the, yeah, come down. No, we are going up. Right side, on the same right side, come down. Yeah. Okay, let me take a screenshot.
Yeah, can you send me a screenshot? I'm so sorry. I don't see it here.
Where everyone is able to see that.
I-
Okay. Now I will share my screen once again. Ma'am, you're able to see my screen?
Yes.
Jayashree, you're able to.
Yes. I don't see this button at all. I joined class in mine when I log in.
No, ma'am. Whatever the screen you shared, I'm from there only I captured this.
Oh, seriously, I don't see that. 1 second.
Ma'am, I took a screenshot from your screen only.
Okay, once.
I have not taken somewhere else. I have taken a screenshot from your screen, whatever the screen you shared to me,
Okay,
right?
got it.
From there only I took actually.
Mommy push. Mommy push.
Maybe screen
Sorry,
resolution is high.
I was trying to share a different screen and I was looking at different screen. I'm sorry. When I share, I have multiple windows open. Yeah, now I got it.
Oh,
I
okay.
wanted to share a different screen.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. But
yeah, there
right,
was.
we are good. No, we are good. You shared right screen for us and we are able to help you. That's the only point
No,
here. Yeah.
see, this is the. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, correct. Now you can
But
click on that. Just
I
come
don't
down.
see download option here.
Ma'am, I explained you. Okay, come 1 second. Come down. Order config cloud config server.zip, right?
Yes.
Click on that. The zip file, madam. Click on the zip file. I explained here how to download the notes also. Maybe you're not there in the class.
Yeah, probably I might have missed that one. I am trying to share a different screen.
Okay, I don't know. I'll explain, madam. Don't confuse here. I'll explain. I'll stop your screen. I'll explain that.
Okay.
Maybe which screen you are seeing, which I don't know, but there is a big problem. Okay, I'll explain that. Jayashree, you are able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is where you are able to see.
Yeah.
Click on cloud. For example, you want to download this zip file. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on that. And there are 3 dots here. Right side. More actions. Open in new window.
Okay.
This is not our Google is giving this option. You see a download.
Okay, sir, I'll do it. I got it. I
Got it,
didn't
right?
open a new window.
Now,
Yeah.
yeah. By default, you didn't join the class. That's why without joining the class, you cannot see the notes, right? Just now you join the class. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Any other questions? Maybe Vinod, right? Vinod, you told that when you see the real code, you may have questions. That's what you mentioned while I am explaining. while I'm explaining the theory part, it right? Vinod, you only right, Vinod?
Yeah. Correct, sir.
Yeah. I mean, just like if you have any questions, let me know. Or you take some time where you can practice and let me come to me also. That's fine.
Yeah.
No,
Once I will practice, I will let you know, sir. Thank you, sir.
Definitely.
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead, Devendra.
I have developed one code here. So can you just please check whether it is the configurations are correct or not?
There is a big problem. We are not able to hear you clearly.
No, I
So you
developed one.
want to share your screen? You want to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. You can cross check, right? I gave you a code. You can cross check and you can do that, right? Yeah, you can share it anyhow. You can share it.
Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. I'm able to see Eureka is not there, right? Gateway, I'm able to see order service. I'm able to see product services. So this is a different service you are taking to me.
No, here only. It is my code. So I have created this one. So is it this configuration is correct here?
Yes, sir. But I share the code, right? Maybe you can cross check because in a microservices, right? Uh, by default, you need to cross check because I have gave you a complete working code. Okay. And you can cross check each and everything. If you're not able to get that, if you see here predicates, path is equal to, yeah, I think it makes sense only product service slash star. You are missing star in predicates. So it's not correct, sir. You cross check. Okay.
Okay.
Every line you cross check. It should take some time, sir. It's not that much easy. Okay. You can, I gave you working setup. First, what you do, Devendra, sir. Okay. Create a project and take my code. Okay. And run as it is how I ran. Right. Then you start implementing. Then you have a working setup with you, right, sir? Then you can check there and you can implement your own. Understand my point? First, do one thing. Take as it is my code in a new project. Don't mix anywhere my project. Take a new working environment. Take a new workspace in the Eclipse and download my code. And whatever the execution I shown you, right? Execute as it is, end to end. Okay. Maybe I'll give a JSON request also in the Google Classroom. Okay. Once you execute that, right, you'll get some idea. You'll get some confidence level. Then you can play with that. If you didn't get it, you can share the code, because share the code I can see offline, and I'll tell you where you did a mistake. Okay. First point is, I'm really happy to see you that kind of passion level. Very few people will have that passion level. Okay. Don't disappoint. If errors are, I also get lot of errors. More errors, more practice, more knowledge. That is the success of our journey. More practice, more errors, more knowledge. Please remember this point. Okay. Yeah. So what I'll do, sir, let me share this. And I'll go to Google Classroom. Execution of order service, payment service with gateway, cloud config, and Eureka registry. Request JSON. I'm giving this. Request JSON. URL, type post, request body, response, okay. This is request to JSON 1. Hitting order service. Okay. Next, request to JSON 2. Hitting payment service. Type get call. Response. So I gave request and response and execution steps and URL, Eureka URL, localhost 8761. That's it. I gave all the details for execution point. So this is the beauty of Google Classroom, sir. In our regular portal, we cannot add all these things, right? In Ashok ID portal, we cannot add all these things. This is the beauty of Google Classroom, where every day you'll come to know what I'm teaching, what is the request, what is the response, and easy for you. Okay, that's why I've chosen this. Yeah, maybe I thought of taking a new topic, but people are not here. But anyhow, please focus on this execution.
We can start a new topic today because we are taking so much time.
That's fine, sir. But people are not there, right? Maybe. Yeah, we'll see the execution points and we'll start because anyhow, we'll start. And I mean, topic is just like I thought of sharing security, which we require here. This is the first time. I mean, I'll let.
Just explain that security code also. Yeah.
That's what my next topic is, security code only, sir. That security code only. It requires a lot of. I mean, my point is, it's a difficult topic. And at least if people are there, I mean, again, I need to explain once again, means anyhow, 8 minutes only there. So it's an important topic, this execution, right? Even if they are not there, they can see the recording and they can understand. Security is important topic, okay? And I'll warn them again, if they miss the class, again, it's a big problem again, okay? So we'll stop today only. That's the only point here, okay? So we'll see on Monday. And mostly next week, I'll conduct a workshop, sir. And maybe I'll take this, the implementation security, the TRLs, I'm taking a integration. Any of the topic, I'll take it. Okay, fine. Jayashree, are you able to download and you can work on, ma'am? Okay, right.
So when is the workshop?
I'll
Same
let you know,
time?
ma'am. It's
Okay.
not tomorrow, madam. I'll let you know next week, mostly next week.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.